First of all, we'll open up the app. Next, we want to click the plus button in the top right to make a new project. Once we're in, we look down at the bottom and we want to add our bottom layer. That's the bottom plus sign. When I tap that, I can now look for the background image. I'll look in my photos and select the photo that I've saved. I'm done. Now, to layer on top of this, I need to add the green screen work. So I'm going to pick the layer above, the next plus up. This is the middle layer. And here I'll look for the video that I filmed. And press done. You can now see that that is on top of the bottom layer, and the bottom layer is too short. I can tap it and pull it to make it as long as my video. Now you can see that already it has taken away the green layer and I am left with the rest. But if I want to edit this a bit more, I can just tap on it, use the crop button, and crop to maybe only have one of the animals. Or perhaps I want this, but I know that at a certain point something else comes into the screen later. I can crop so that it now changes.
Let's go to Mom.
The next thing I can also do here, I can do a little chroma key here. I can change and alter just what's being taken out, which colors are being taken out. I could actually reverse it if I wanted to, but I'm going to bring it to green and just make it as clear as I can and press done. And now I have my video. It's trimmed, it's cropped, and when I am finished, I will just tap Export Video at the top. It'll take a moment to render all the images. And when it's done, it will give me the option of where I would like to save it. Here's my video, and what would I like to do to it? I'm going to save it to the camera roll. I can also then share it to a different platform such as Seesaw, iMovie, where I could edit it more or publish it.